Good morning, student. Today we are going to start chapter 8 and the name of the chapter is Keep It Clean. Student, this chapter is basically a poem. This poem is all about sanitation. Okay, so students, when we are talking about cleanliness, when we are talking about sanitation around us, we always believe that other people will do it. But in fact, we must initiate, we must start it with our side. So let's see such kind of situation through this poem. Okay, student, so let's start reading the poem and understanding it. The poem is Keep It Clean. Okay, being a citizen of the country is our duty to keep our surrounding neat and clean. But often what we do, often we try to avoid it. Other people will do. Other will do that. We keep on thinking about that. Why should we initiate for this? But if we really want to keep our surrounding clean, we must start it by us. Okay, so let's start reciting the poem and understanding it. This city is dirty, was their remark. People ease themselves in the big public park. Okay, this city is dirty, was their remark. Now what we keep on saying, we keep on saying that the city is dirty. We keep on remarking about it. Remark over here is, see what is the word remark over here? Remark means हम complain करते रहते हैं. We keep on complaining that this city is dirty. People eat themselves in a big public park, and we always facilitate ourselves in a big public park. There is garbage everywhere. We throw it throughout without a thought. There is garbage everywhere. When we are going to a park, what we do? We throw garbage here and there. So see over here in this picture, you can see that the garbage is everywhere, over here, over there. So हर जगह क्या है? Garbage है. हर जगह गंदगी है. We throw it without a thought. क्यों है गंदगी? क्योंकि वो हम ही तो है जो बिना सोचे, without a thought, हम क्या करते हैं? उसको फेंकते रहते हैं. Though it to keep clean from childhood we are taught. Very good. See over here. We keep on throwing garbage here and there. हम करते हैं ना, हम खाते हैं, कुछ भी खाया, रैपर जो है वो फेंक दिया. क्या बचपन से आपको क्लास में टीचर जो है, आपके पेरेंट्स ये नहीं सिखाते कि आपको गार्बेज जो है, आपको जितना भी गंदगी है वो बाहर नहीं फेंकना है, बट स्टिल we keep on doing it without giving a thought. Okay student, so बिना thought के क्या करते हैं हम garbage को यहाँ वहाँ फेंकते रहते हैं. Okay, sip the fruity, munch the chips, throw the wrappers on the ground. When there is so much garbage, why should I bother if more is found? This is the basic thought which we are keeping in our mind while throwing garbage here and there. क्या सोचते हैं हमने फ्रूटी का सिप लिया, हमने फ्रूटी खत्म की, मंचिप्स को खत्म किया, और हमने क्या किया? उसका जो गार्बेज है उसको कहाँ फेंक दिया? ग्राउंड पे फेंक दिया. विद द थॉट कि यहाँ ऑलरेडी बहुत कचरा है, अगर मैं थोड़ा कचरा कर दूंगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? Bother means worrying about. Okay, nobody worry. क्यों नहीं करते? ऑलरेडी बहुत गंदा है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा मैंने फेंक दिया तो क्या फर्क पड़ा? Okay, this is what the poet is trying to say. We keep on throwing things just by thinking कि यहाँ पहले से ही गंदा है, थोड़ा सा मैंने कर दिया तो क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? Okay? Who throw the garbage here? Why can't the place be green? I did not throw it. So, is it so difficult to make it clean? See student, I threw the garbage. ये कौन कहता है? I threw the garbage. कोई नहीं कहता. We always keep on saying who threw the garbage. किसने यहाँ garbage फेंका? किसने यहाँ कचरा किया? Why can't the place be clean? क्यों नहीं लोग चीजों को साफ सुथरा रखते, जगह को साफ सुथरा रखते? We keep on complaining it. कोई नहीं कहता मैंने फेंका, सब कहते हैं किसने फेंका? लोग क्यों नहीं इस जगह को साफ रखते? I did not throw it. Is it so difficult to make it clean? मैंने तो नहीं फेंका, पर क्या ये इतना डिफिकल्ट है कि हम इसको साफ नहीं रख सकते? We will keep it clean if we have the will to do so. Keep the city clean. Don't be your own foe. We will keep it clean. हम इसको साफ करेंगे. See the boy over here, ये सफाई करने के लिए जा रहा है ना झाड़ू लेके. We will keep it clean if we have the will to do so. हम अगर करना चाहे तो हम अपनी सिटी को खुद ही क्लीन रख सकते हैं. Keep the city clean. Don't be your own foe. हमें अपनी सिटी को क्लीन रखना है, हमें खुद का ही दुश्मन नहीं बनना है. क्यों बच्चे? क्योंकि गंदगी जो है it spread lot of disease. It spread lot of infection. So अगर आप सिटी को गंदा रखेंगे, अगर आप अपने प्लेस को गंदा रखेंगे, तो you will become your own foe. What is the meaning of foe over here? Foe means enemy, दुश्मन. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to keep our city clean. Okay student, so this was all about the poem. What we learned from this poem student, we learn to keep our city clean. Try to keep your thing very clean. The things around you should be clean. Keep your surrounding clean and keep yourself clean. Okay student, with this thought we are winding up the poem. Thank you students.